Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to generate a bundle for a specific product in the Wizio Bundle app. So to get started, open the app from your Shopify admin panel. And if you haven't installed it yet, you can use the link given in the description to install the app. Once installed, open the app, then click here on Quantity Bundles. Navigate to Create Bundle. From here you can select template of your choice and also customize the color theme as your brand from here. In the target you need to select specific selected products and then select the product for which you want to display the bundle. Add the bundle information. Choose the layout, and there are other customizations you can check. In discount batch you can select the discount type like percentage and then add the discount. If you want to add a free gift, enable the option from here and then select the product. Then you can also customize the color theme and other things from here. You can check its preview in the right side and then click here on Save button to save the bundle. Your bundle will now be live and ready to sell. Click on View icon from here to check the bundle. And here it's visible. Make sure it's visually appealing and easy for your customers to understand. That's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.